In this video, I will show you how to quickly and easily increase the leverage of your opened position on the platform BingX. If you want to get the best sign-up bonus possible on BingX, make sure to go down to the video description and click on the first link. You will get to exactly this page right here, and you can get up to $6,000 as a welcome bonus. First, I quickly want to mention that I'm currently using here the demo trading feature. So if you want to try out the platform, I highly recommend you to just go up here to derivatives, go to USDT perpetual futures after you've signed up. When you're using the link down from the video description, you will also automatically get some demo funds that you can then use to try out the platform. Up here you will see a button to go to the demo trading feature, and then you can use the entire platform right here without having to use your own money. So as you can see, we are currently in this trade right here. We are using a 5x leverage with a $200,000 position size, and you're probably familiar, you can increase your position size by just adding new parts of your position. So let's say I just want to increase my position size 100%, add another $300,000 to this position, click on open long, and you will see now I have it to 500,000. So what if I want to increase the position size even more? You will see that we currently have a problem because I don't have enough available margin. If I want to do that here, put it to 100% open, you can see I don't have enough available margin. So I can even increase the position further if I increase the leverage. And how can I do that? Well, I can just go up here, increase the leverage to, let's say, a 7x leverage. You can ignore this right here because it's not really important. It just tells you, of course, we can decrease our margin after we've done that. That's also what we want to do if you want to increase the position size even more. But once you've increased your leverage right here, you can just click on confirm. And you will see nothing really happened so far. We've increased the leverage down here to a 7x leverage. Position size stays exactly the same. And if we scroll to the right, our margin, which is our own capital in this trade, is also exactly the same. And you can see we still don't have any available margin. But what we can do now is if we go into our margin right here, we can say we want to reduce the margin. And as you can see, we can take up to $29,000 out of this margin. So let's say I want to take out the $29,000. You can also use the side controller down here. And if we click on confirm, you will see now we have decreased our margin to a $70,000 and we still have $29,000 available left as margin. So that was now possible because we increased our leverage. And the reason for that is we can keep up the same position size right here with a lower margin because we are using a higher leverage, because this times the leverage needs to equal the position size. And because we increase this, we can decrease this. So that's the reason for it. And now this freed up margin can be used, of course, for any other trades. We can do whatever we want with it, or also use it to increase the position even more. Because remember, we had the problem, we could not add anything to this position because we didn't have any available margin left. Well, now because we increased the leverage, we do have available margin. So we can go ahead in here and just say 100%. We can add another $200,000 onto this position. So if I just do that right now, you will see we've increased the position now to a $700,000 position size. And that was possible because we increased the leverage, took out the margin and used the margin again to add new parts to this position right here. Don't forget to pick up the best sign-up bonus possible with up to $6,000 in bonuses by using the link down from the video description. And if you have any other questions, feel free to ask them in the comments.